Honey isn't just nature's delicious sweetener, it's also a nutritional powerhouse packed with incredible health benefits. From its role in ancient medicine to its scientifically proven healing properties, honey has been revered for centuries as one of nature's most versatile remedies. In today's video, we'll reveal 9 shocking health benefits of honey that go far beyond its delicious taste. Stick around as we explain how to maximize its effectiveness with tips and examples for each benefit. Get ready to unlock the secrets to better health with this golden gift from nature. Let's dive in. Did you know that honey is a natural enemy of harmful bacteria? Thanks to its enzymes, low pH levels, and hydrogen peroxide content, honey prevents bacteria from growing and thriving. This makes it an incredibly effective natural antibacterial agent. For example, applying raw honey to small wounds, cuts, or burns can reduce the risk of infection and speed up the healing process. Scientific studies have even confirmed that medical-grade honey can fight antibiotic-resistant bacteria like MRSA. Use raw, unprocessed honey directly on wounds, or mix it with a bit of coconut oil for an even more soothing treatment. Make sure to keep the area clean and covered for best results. Inflammation is the root cause of many chronic health issues, from joint pain to digestive discomfort. Honey has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe swelling and calm irritated tissues. For instance, drinking a glass of warm water with honey and lemon is a popular and effective way to reduce internal inflammation. Many people also use honey as a soothing post-workout remedy to combat muscle soreness. Incorporate honey into your daily routine, especially in teas or post-exercise smoothies. Combine it with turmeric or ginger for a double dose of anti-inflammatory power. Honey is loaded with antioxidants, which help protect your body from free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage your cells and speed up aging. The darker the honey, the higher its antioxidant content, making varieties like buckwheat honey an excellent choice. These antioxidants help to improve heart health, boost brain function, and even reduce the risk of chronic illnesses. Research shows that regularly consuming honey can lower oxidative stress and promote overall well-being. Store your honey properly in a cool, dry place to preserve its antioxidant compounds. Add it to your morning oatmeal, smoothie, or yogurt for a daily antioxidant boost. Your immune system is your body's first line of defense against illness, and honey can help make it stronger. Its natural antibacterial, antifungal, and immune-supporting properties make honey a go-to remedy during cold and flu season. Manuka honey, in particular, is known for its powerful immune-boosting effects. Regular consumption can help your body fight off infections and recover faster when you're feeling under the weather. Take a teaspoon of honey daily, either on its own or diluted in warm water to support immune health. Pair it with lemon and ginger during flu season for an extra immunity boost. If you've ever had a cough or a sore throat, chances are someone suggested a spoonful of honey as a remedy. And for good reason. Studies show that honey is just as effective as some over-the-counter cough remedies thanks to its soothing and antimicrobial properties. Mixing honey with warm water, lemon juice, and ginger creates a natural cough syrup that can ease throat irritation and reduce the frequency of coughing. Plus, it tastes great, making it a favorite remedy for kids and adults alike. Drink a honey-based remedy before bedtime to help you sleep better without interruptions from nighttime coughing. Your gut health plays a critical role in your overall well-being, and honey can be a valuable ally. Its natural prebiotic properties feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthier digestive system. It can also help soothe the stomach and alleviate indigestion. For example, taking honey with warm water on an empty stomach in the morning is believed to improve digestion and flush out toxins from your system. Its gentle, effective, and easy to incorporate into your routine. Pair honey with probiotic-rich foods like yogurt to create a powerhouse combination for gut health. Use a teaspoon of honey as a natural sweetener for oatmeal or smoothies to keep your digestive system happy. Say goodbye to artificial energy drinks. Honey is a natural and healthy way to fuel your body with sustained energy. Unlike refined sugar, honey provides a balanced source of glucose and fructose, which are absorbed at different rates, keeping your energy levels stable. Whether you're preparing for a workout or need an afternoon pick-me-up, honey can give you the boost you need. Pair it with fruits or nuts for a quick and nutritious snack that delivers both energy and essential nutrients. Pre-workout, mix a teaspoon of honey into your water bottle or drizzle it over a banana. Post-workout, add honey to a protein shake to replenish energy and aid muscle recovery. In addition to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, honey is an effective treatment for wounds, burns, and scars. Medical-grade honey, such as Manuka honey, is often used in hospitals to treat patients recovering from severe burns or surgical wounds. Honey's high sugar content draws moisture out of wounds, creating an environment where bacteria and fungi cannot survive. At the same time, its soothing properties promote skin regeneration and reduce scarring. When using honey for wound care, opt for a sterilized medical-grade product rather than regular honey. Apply it directly to the affected area and cover with a sterile bandage. Struggling with sleepless nights? Honey may be the surprising solution you've been looking for. Consuming honey before bed can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve the release of melatonin, the hormone responsible for promoting restful sleep. A simple bedtime ritual of warm milk and honey can work wonders for your relaxation and sleep quality. Many people also find that honey helps reduce nighttime hunger, keeping them from waking up in the middle of the night. To maximize its effectiveness, mix a teaspoon of honey into a glass of warm milk or herbal tea about 30 minutes before bedtime. Stick to raw, unprocessed honey for the best results. There you have it, 9 incredible, scientifically backed health benefits of honey that can improve your well-being in remarkable ways. From its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory powers to its role in boosting immunity, soothing coughs, supporting digestion, and even improving sleep. Honey deserves a place in your daily routine. Now it's your turn. Have you experienced the benefits of honey firsthand? Share your stories in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and natural remedy ideas. And while you're here, check out our other videos on using nature's gifts for a healthier, happier life. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, small natural changes can lead to big improvements in your health. See you in the next video.